Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is one of the final videos that I will do about the rollout of Windows 10 May 2020 update. After that, we're going to concentrate on what's coming next and everything. But there's a lot of questions, and there's a lot of people that have a misunderstanding of different little things in here. So first of all, a lot of you have confirmed that you have this message showing up on your PC. You check the Windows Update, and it tells you that feature update to Windows 10 version 2004 is on its way. We're offering this update to compatible device, but your device isn't quite ready for it. So that's the first thing. If you see this, better wait. You can force it if you want, because people that see this can actually still go and take the media creation tool and upgrade from there, and it's gonna upgrade. But you shouldn't. So if you have this message, something is not ready yet for your PC. The two most common problems that prevent your computer from getting Windows 10 May 2020 update is simply either drivers. So some of your hardware doesn't have updated drivers. And it's funny because a lot of people, are mad and saying, well, I've got a brand new PC and I can't even get this. What's wrong with Windows? Nothing is wrong with Windows. If you get a brand new PC and you don't see it, or this shows up, the manufacturer is to blame of your PC, not Microsoft. Because Microsoft is working. It's your manufacturer's slow in updating its drivers. And that is the most common problem of manufacturers. Very slow at updating and upgrading drivers. The other thing that is often a problem and makes that a problem is the antivirus. If you're using something else than the Windows security app for your computer, you have a good chance of being one of those that it's not offered yet, because antivirus software from third-party companies often need to have updates, and these updates are often take time to actually appear and be compatible with the latest version of Windows once again. So the big majority of people that don't have it is because something like that is happening. The other question, we talked about the list of known issues, and a lot of people say, well, now, I got it. It shows up in my Windows update, but I'm scared because there's all these issues. If it shows up on your PC, you have none of these issues. It's very simple. The known issue list, if you have any of those problems on your PC, you're not seeing this update. You're not getting an update that has known issues. You're getting an update that works. The known issues, they're not going to show you that Windows 10 version 2004. It's just not going to be there. Or it's going to show you that message that you've just seen that I showed you on the screen under Windows updates. That's all. For the rest, a lot of questions about gaming. I've been gaming with my gaming laptop on 2004 for the past couple of months, and it's working great. There's no slowdown, sluggishness. Once again, a lot of all of that has to do with drivers that need to be updated. It's very simple. The biggest drawback, I would say, because a lot of you forced it and have screen issues. Almost everybody that had screen issues, they're all with NVIDIA chips. I was looking at some of the comments with people saying, well, I use a media creation tool and I've got a glitch on the screen. I've got the screen goes black sometimes, stuff like that. Well, Microsoft, in the list of its known issues, NVIDIA drivers is there. If you are using an older computer that is stuck with NVIDIA drivers version 358 or older, well, you are in a problem. There is an issue with that, and that will probably be fixed by NVIDIA itself. So that's something you need to know. That's why, once again, I tell everybody, go through Windows Update. If it's there, you're pretty safe to upgrade. If it's not, don't force it, because if it's not, there's a reason behind it. Almost everybody that has issues that I've seen are forced updates. So that simply means one thing, is that anybody that's got it and it shows up normally through Windows Update, I see pretty much nobody complaining. Everybody is happy. It's really either you forced it, or, there's something just not right that you haven't done, or there's no updates and stuff that you have done, and that's it. It's as simple as that. The update itself, when I look at the standard people that that updated through Windows Update, all have a great experience. There's almost no one that has problems. And it's very funny because, you always have somebody showing up. It's like, well, this is bad. I updated and it's really working bad. Yeah, you forced updated. No wonder, But then again, there's a lot of you that forced upgraded and are working well. So, it all has to do with so many things. What I see as background noise is that this update, when it's updated through Windows Update in a normal way, works great. So if you see it in Windows Update, chances are it's going to be okay. It's a long upgrade, of course, and yes, you can wait. Like I always say, you know what? You don't have to install it if you don't want it now. You just leave it there. It's an optional update, unless you're at the last chance for some feature update that is going to expire soon. You will be forced with that one. But apart from that, most of you that see it simply in a download and install in an optional update. And last but not least, I get tons of people saying, well, they haven't fixed that blue screen of that random that's happening with this update, KB, whatever, the number that I don't remember. It has nothing to do with Windows. It has to do with HP installing crapware on their PCs. That's it. The majority of problems in Windows are the crapware of manufacturers, not Windows. It's people are always jumping on the Windows is bad, Windows has this, Windows has that. 95% of problems are the crapware of the PC or bad drivers. Nothing to do with Windows. So you just got to understand that. It's just funny, how people react and how people think that Microsoft Windows is always bad. If it was that bad, man, the enterprise would not be using it. It's as simple as that. It works great. I have several machines with Windows 10. None of them have issues here. So, when you have problems on a PC with Windows, majority of the time there's a hardware glitch. Could be a chip that's not working right. Driver problems, crapware from the manufacturers, or that also happens very often. All the crap software that you install, and you install tens of different software that you always want, but it's creating problems. The problem's not in Windows. It's all the software, the crapware that's installed over it most of the time. So, last but not least, the major question I see all the time, on the channel: should I install it? If you're just asking that question, should I install it? You know what? Do nothing. You shouldn't be asking yourself that question. If you ask yourself that question, that means, leave it alone. Stay at whatever version you have right now, and the day will come someday, where it's going to be installed, and that's it. So, it's as simple as that. It's like when somebody asks me, should I be an insider? It's not even a question. You want to be an insider or not. Well, you want it or not. It's as simple as that. And, for all of those that are saying, well, I'm waiting, fine. You know what? Like I say, there's really no rush, no urgency, like I say, of installing this. So that's pretty much what I have to say here. Today we're Monday, June 1st, 2020. So for the majority of people, like I said, when it goes through Windows Update, it works fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.